This is Michael Frey, an applications engineer at Optris. The Optris CS LT pyrometer is a non-contact temperature measurement sensor which is perfectly suited for machine builders and manufacturing environments. Meet the affordable yet robust CS LT pyrometer, your go-to choice for precision. Engineered to thrive in temperatures up to 80 degrees Celsius without extra cooling, it delivers impeccable accuracy across an expansive temperature range, spanning from negative 50 Celsius to a blazing 1030 degrees Celsius, all without interfering with your measurement target. With the distance to spot size ratio of 15:1, the CS LT guarantees spot-on temperature readings from afar, eliminating the need for proximity. It easily integrates into tight spaces, making it your ideal solution for compact environments. Flexibility is key, and with the CS LT, you're in control. With the optional USB adapter and free software, choose between selectable and programmable analog millivolt output, Thermocouple Type K outputs, or analog alarm output, allowing seamless integration into your existing systems. Experience the future of temperature measurement with the CS LT from Optris. Precision, affordability, and innovation, all in one remarkable device.